Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be reading about Arctic animals. On the very top of our planet is a cold, frozen place called the Arctic. It is covered in ice and snow, but lots of animals live there. Let's go and meet them. So if you look right here, on top of our world, our globe right here, is what they call the Arctic Circle. And in the Arctic Circle, we have Russia, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Iceland, Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and this body of water is our Arctic Ocean. Polar bears are big and white. They have thick fur and a layer of fat called blubber to keep them warm in the cold weather and icy water. Their fur is oily, so they can easily shake off ice and water and stay dry. What is this animal with a tusk-like unicorn's horn? It's a narwhal. A narwhal is a type of whale. The tusk is actually a very long tooth. Hop, hop, thump. The Arctic hare has shorter ears than any other rabbit and a lot of fat and fur, which help it live in the cold temperatures. The Arctic hare's white fur lets it hide in the snow. This little Arctic ground squirrel is busy preparing a frozen den and storing food for the winter. Soon it will be ready to hibernate. When animals hibernate, they sleep during the cold winter months. Then they wake up in the spring. Swoop! The snowy owl has a dense white feathers to keep it warm, golden eyes that can see food and enemies far away, and sharp claws for hunting. There are no tall trees in the Arctic, so the snowy owl builds its nest on the ground. These feathered friends are puffins. They can swim and fly quickly. A puffin's beak is gray in winter, but in spring it will turn a bright orange. Snort! A walrus has a large body, flat flippers, wrinkly skin, and whiskers that look like a mustache. Did you notice it has 2 tusks? Walrus use their tusks to fight, break holes in the ice, and help pull their heavy bodies out of the water. Caribou stay warm with their heavy coat of fur. They also have a large fur-covered hoods that act like snowshoes to help them walk on the ice. Males and females both have antlers. The Arctic fox has a thick fur coat that changes color. It's white in the winter to blend with the snow. It turns brown in the spring so that the fox can hide among the rocks and plants. The Arctic fox has the warmest fur of any animal in the world. Howl! The Siberian Husky is one of the oldest breeds of dogs. It can run fast in the cold and pull a heavy sled across the snow. Siberian Huskies curl into a tight ball to sleep, and they cover their nose with their tails for extra warmth. Some nights, the Arctic sky is full of bright waves of color. All the animals have come out to look. These lights are called the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. What was your favorite Arctic animal I read about today? Let me know. I thank you for coming, and I will see you again next time. Bye, boys and girls.